Hey everybody, today I have a new book for you. It's called Night Owl and Early Bird. It's part of a larger series, the Night Owl series, and I'm really excited to share this book as well as the rest with everybody. This was written by Christopher Denise, who is a winner of the Caldecott Honor. So let's have a read. Night Owl and Early Bird. Owl was captain of the night watch. He was very important. While the other knights slept, he lit the torches, patrolled the walls, and made sure the fires were burning. All night long, Owl kept the castle safe. I think that's him in this little outpost. Just before dawn, he sat in his room and ate his dinner. It was the same every night. Until early one morning when Owl was drifting off to sleep. Seeing like a framed portrait of himself. Someone or something started making a great deal of noise. Hi, are you awake? My name is Early Bird. I'm your biggest fan. I want to be a night owl just like you. You can teach me everything. I'm a super duper learner. I know that I can be a night owl. Look how big my eyes are. Do we stay up all night? What is your cake for? When do we start? Are there snacks at work? I cannot teach you to be a knight right now. I'm too tired, Owl said as he rolled over. So Early Bird kept herself busy in one way or another. Looks like she's making decorations. She was very busy and very noisy all day long. That afternoon, Owl and Early Bird went to work. They lit the torches, patrolled the walls, and made sure the fires were burning. But before the sun set, Early Bird fell asleep. All night long, Owl kept the castle safe. Early the next morning, good day to you, fine knight. He must wake, for today we ride to adventure. Knights don't talk like that, said Owl, and he went back to sleep. So Early Bird kept herself busy in one way or another. She was very busy and very noisy all day long. That night, Owl kept the castle safe. The next day, hark, who goes there? Or should I say, whoo? You hear that? I sound so owlish. Let me try it again. Whoo! Whoo! Was I good? I made pancakes. Do you like pancakes? I love pancakes. Where's the syrup? Looks like he's quite startled. Stop, you're not an owl, you're not a knight, you're a very early bird. I am captain of the night watch, and I need to sleep. Please go away. So Early Bird went away. Bye-bye. That afternoon, Owl kept himself busy in one way or another. Soon it was dark, and Early Bird had not returned. Owl began to worry. Late that night, Owl went into the forest to find her. It was very cold and very dark in the forest. Owl searched for hours, but could not find Early Bird. He was about to give up when he heard a strange noise. Ow! That does not sound like an Early Bird, Owl thought. He heard the noise again. Ow! And again, but this time it was much closer. Ow! That is definitely not Early Bird, he whispered to himself. Suddenly, glowing eyes appeared between the trees. Owl was not alone. Someone or something started making a great deal of noise. Stop, stop, stoppity, stop, stop. Oh. Stop. Wonder what happens. If you'd like to read more of the story, find out what happens next, please check out Night Owl and Early Bird by Christopher Denise at your local bookstore or library. Hope you guys enjoyed the story. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.